It's that time of year again. Christmas is just around the corner. Everywhere you look, there are twinkling lights, festive decorations, and of course, the excitement of giving and receiving gifts. Some of the best gifts, though, come in the form of love, cuddles and wagging tails or chirping feathers. Yes, we're talking about pets. But what's the best pet to give for Christmas? Well, the answer is not as simple as you might think. Pets are more than just cute faces and furry bodies. They require care, attention, and love. So choosing the right pet for Christmas involves thinking about a few key things: the person receiving the pet, the cost of taking care of a pet, and the type of pet that might be the best fit. So let's dig in and help you become a pet gifting expert. Consider the recipient. Who's the lucky one? Before you rush off to the pet store or animal shelter to pick out a furry friend, think about the person who's going to receive the pet. Are they someone who loves playing outside? Do they have a lot of time to spend with a new animal? Or do they prefer to stay inside, cozy on the couch with a movie? The best pet for Christmas depends a lot on the person who will be taking care of the new animal. So let's break it down. Size and energy level matter. If your recipient is active and loves going on walks or runs, then a dog might be the perfect gift. But not all dogs are the same. Some dogs, like Labradors and Border Collies, need lots of exercise to stay happy. On the other hand, if you're gifting a pet to someone who prefers to relax at home, a smaller dog or a cat might be a better option. Some dogs, like Bulldogs or Shih Tzus, are more laid back and don't need as much exercise. Also, think about the dog's energy level. Does the recipient want a pet that loves to run and play? Or one that enjoys lounging on the couch and taking naps? If the person likes playing fetch and running around, they'll want a dog that's up for it. But if they prefer a slower pace, they might enjoy a calm dog who's happy to just sit by their side. Play style, toys, or treats. It's also important to think about the person's play style. Some people love playing with their pets using toys, like balls, ropes, or frisbees, while others might enjoy teaching their pets tricks or rewarding them with treats. If the recipient is a fan of playing with toys, they might want a pet that loves interactive games. On the other hand, if they're more into rewards, look for a pet that's motivated by food. Dogs are great with toys, but if you're thinking of getting a hamster or guinea pig, they might be more interested in a cozy tunnel or a yummy treat. And don't forget about those pets who are aggressive chewers. If the recipient has a playful puppy, for example, they might want a strong, durable chew toy, since some dogs love to gnaw on things like shoes, furniture, or even socks. Be sure to think about whether the new pet might need extra supervision or care in that area. Consider the cost. Can we afford it? Let's talk about the big thing to think about, the cost of having a pet. A pet isn't just a Christmas gift, it's a lifelong commitment. Pets need food, water, toys, bedding, and sometimes even clothes or special care, like grooming. That means that before you choose a pet, you need to think about whether your family has enough savings to care for it for years to come. Food and veterinary care. Every pet needs food, and some pets eat a lot. If you're thinking of getting a big dog like a golden retriever, you'll need to budget for food, grooming, and yearly trips to the vet. Smaller pets like hamsters, guinea pigs, or fish might cost less to take care of, but they still need food, supplies, and health care. Also, don't forget about those unexpected costs. Sometimes pets get sick or need special medical attention. It's a good idea to set aside some savings just in case your pet needs a trip to the vet. You can also look into getting pet insurance, which can help cover the cost of unexpected illnesses or injuries. Think long-term. When choosing a pet, think about how long they will live and how much care they will need. Dogs, for example, often live between 10 to 15 years. Cats can live even longer. Some cats make it well into their 20s. That's a big commitment, so make sure your family is ready to provide love, food, and care for many years to come. On the other hand, hamsters and guinea pigs usually live for a few years, so they may be a good choice for families who want a shorter commitment. Consider the type of pet dogs, cats, or maybe something unusual. There are so many different types of pets to choose from, so how do you pick the best one? Here are a few options to consider based on your recipient's personality and lifestyle. Dogs, the best friends. Dogs are some of the best companions out there. They're loyal, loving, and always ready for an adventure. However, they also need a lot of care. They need daily walks, training, and lots of attention. If your recipient loves playing outside and has the time to take care of a dog, this could be the perfect pet. Cats, the independent cuddlers. Cats are a bit more independent than dogs, so they're perfect for someone who enjoys a quieter pet. Cats are often content to nap all day, but they can also be playful when the mood strikes. They don't need as much attention as dogs, which makes them a good choice for busy people. Plus, cats are very clean and take care of their own grooming. Guinea pigs and hamsters. Small but sweet. If your recipient is younger or doesn't have as much space, a guinea pig or hamster could be a great option. These small pets are easy to take care of and are fun to watch as they run around in their cages. Guinea pigs are especially friendly and love to be held, while hamsters are more independent but still love to play with toys. Fish, the tranquil beauties. Fish are peaceful, calming pets that come in all shapes and sizes. While they're not the most interactive animals, watching fish swim around in their tank can be very relaxing. Plus, fish tanks are beautiful additions to any room. If the recipient enjoys taking care of plants and creating a peaceful atmosphere, a fish tank could be just the right choice. Birds, talkative and colorful. Birds like parrots, cockatiels, and budgies are social and can even learn to talk. If the recipient enjoys having a chatty, colorful pet that loves attention, a bird might be the way to go. However, birds can be noisy and require a lot of mental stimulation, so make sure your recipient is ready to spend time training and playing with their new feathered friend. Pigs, a unique choice. For something a bit more unusual, consider a pet pig. These adorable animals can make great pets, but they require a lot of space and care. Pigs are smart and loving, but they need a big yard and special attention to their diet and health. A mini pig could be an option, but be sure your recipient has the space and time to care for such a unique pet. Consider a pet supplies bundle. The ultimate surprise. If you're not sure which pet to get, or if you want to let the recipient pick out their own pet, why not consider a pet supplies bundle? A pet supplies bundle is a fantastic gift that includes everything someone might need to get started with a pet, such as food, toys, bedding, and grooming supplies. The recipient can then choose the pet they want, whether it's a dog, a hamster, or even a bird. Plus, it's a fun way to let them be part of the process while still giving them the joy of having a new pet. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Final thoughts. Giving the gift of a pet. Choosing the right pet for Christmas is all about thinking about the recipient's lifestyle, interests, and ability to care for the pet. Pets are wonderful companions, but they require a lot of love and attention, so make sure you choose wisely. Whether it's a playful puppy, a gentle guinea pig, or a peaceful fish tank, the right pet can bring joy to your family for years to come. So, before you run out and adopt that cute puppy or kitten, take a deep breath and think about what will work best for your family. With the right pet, you'll create memories that will last a lifetime. And what better way to spread holiday cheer than by giving a pet who will give back endless love and companionship? Happy pet gifting and Merry Christmas.